Skye Nano 2, this mini drone is so small that it can literally fit in your palm. People who like fun and small devices will definitely enjoy this mini drone. The dimension of the model is so tiny with the width of only 4 centimeters and a weight of only 17 grams. Although it has small size, it has outstanding functionality and impressive specifications. It can fly up to 50 meters high in the air. It has 2-megapixel camera that allows you to take clear picture of the resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. This mini drone can be controlled with the smartphone as well as its joystick. The image from the camera is displayed in real time in the app. The built-in LED allow you to take pictures even at night. This mini drone can even perform the some maneuver like vertical flip. It is built in 3.7 volt and 380 mAh lithium battery. You can buy this mini drone at about $30 in Amazon. Cross helmet, this is not an ordinary helmet. Its high-tech features ensures the rider's safety and also makes their ride entertaining. Talking about its looks, it seems to be very stylish. It has camera at its back which can support 360 vision. Riders can see the live videos of vehicles coming from backside. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity with smartphone, so you can easily communicate with your phone like playing music, picking up phone calls or managing the messages. It has noise cancellation feature which is very useful for reducing the external noise from traffic. It has touch gesture feature to control the different function of the helmet. Pocket Sprite, you might have played the classic games like Mario or Contra. What if I said that you can play them on this mini-sized game console? You can even upload new games in this device according to your desire. You can even use this awesome mini-sized game console as a keyring. You can spend hours playing games in this device on single charge. It's sure that you will spend hours playing games in this awesome gadget at your boring times. It seems to be very cool and it's easy to carry anywhere. Multifunction pen. This multifunction pen can be used as several utility tools other than just writing. This is 7-in-1 multifunction pen which seems to be like a normal pen, but it has 7 different utility tools, which is pretty useful in our daily life. Opening the upper cap we can access 2 different kinds of screwdriver. This pen is very tough because it is made of aluminium metal. You can even use this pen as stylus for your smartphone or tablet. It also has leveler in it. It also has a metric ruler and US ruler in it. You will be carrying 7 different tools along with you if you carried this pen with you. Wheel Pint, friends, you might have done skating and have seen lots of different types of skateboard, but this Wheel Pint skateboard will be different from the rest due to its unique design and features. This skateboard has 1 wheel at center, and the rest is for placing the legs, which is really unique compared to other skateboard. It will be much easier to ride and balance this skateboard since it has only 1 wheel. This is battery operated skateboard, so you shouldn't even have to provide the initial acceleration. It comes with an amazing LED light which make it more visible especially at night and gives it amazing looks too. To run it forward you have to lean forward, and to move it backward you have to lean backward, and to stop it you simply have to drop your legs. This is it for this video. If you like this video then like this video. Comment your best gadget in comment section and make sure you subscribe to the channel to be a part of GAGETECH family. Meet you soon with next cool gadget collections.